Welcome back, folks, and thanks for sticking with us. Well, we got a pretty nice rest of the week ahead of us, but something that I don't want to say it, but there's some sort of a system moving in next week I don't want to talk about, but to get the latest on that, let's check in with First Alert meteorologist Owen Basselman. So, Owen, I'm not going to say what it is, but
stay away from the forbidden word, right?
I will stay away from that.
Don't speak it into existence and it won't happen.
Hence why I'm not saying it.
There's nice weather today. Let's talk about that, right? Here's the nice blue sky we have on our Ottawa, Iowa camera right now, and looking at some blue sky as well here in Sioux City from our Blackbird Bend Casino cam, but also seeing a little bit of cloud cover in the sky there as well. Seeing more clouds in northwestern Iowa right now, but it does look like those are slowly starting to move off to the east. So hopefully we'll see a little bit more clearing there. Lots of clearing right now in western Siouxland. That's where temperatures are rising into the mid-50s, even in the low 60s right now in O'Neill. Temperatures, though, staying into the lower 40s. 39 degrees currently in Storm Lake right now. So large range there in temperatures today. I expect high temperatures will rise into the low 50s, maybe mid 50s, and of course 60s in a couple spots for those of you in far western Siouxland today. Tonight will fall down through the 40s and bottom out near about 30 degrees for your Friday morning. So going to be a cool start then, but we will have a couple nice afternoons coming as we end out the week. Friday, high temperatures climbing to 60 degrees, staying there on Saturday as well. But as we look ahead towards next week, there are big changes coming. There will be a large system somewhere in the central United States. That's about how clear we can figure that out right now, and having a lot of questions. But a couple things are starting to get clearer. We know we will have lots of wind, much cooler temperatures, and rain likely coming as we look ahead towards the next week. But the biggest question of them all is if we see snow, and if we do end up seeing snow, just how much snow we could see. So still a lot of questions and a lot of details to get ironed out as we get into next week. But looking at our weather pattern, we will have a system moving in here through the start of the week that will bring us some rain on both Monday and Tuesday. And then behind that, the bigger system will dip out of the four corners and potentially bring us that wintry precipitation as we look ahead towards Wednesday and Thursday of next week. But as I said, there are still a lot of questions in terms of the precipitation, but the cooler temperatures seem to be a guarantee. From the 60-degree high temperatures we'll have over the next couple days, falling down into the 40s and the 30s for highs as we look ahead towards the middle of next week and towards the end of next week. So for all the details on this system, be sure to download the KTIV First Alert weather app. You can pull out your phone and open the camera app, and you can scan that QR code there for downloading the weather app that is updated by the KTIV First Alert weather team. Today, it's going to be a pretty nice day for November. We will have high temperatures into the middle 50s, more clouds to the east, but lots of sun for western Siouxland. Tonight, going to be cooler with low temperatures into the upper 20s and lower 30s, and fog is possible, especially in those spots that saw lingering cloud cover today. Tomorrow going to be warmer as we peak out into the 60s for a few of us, and winds could be a little bit breezy between 10 and 20 miles per hour. And we stick through that nice weather through the weekend as well. So weekend's looking pretty good, but we start to see that rain move in on Monday. That continues into Tuesday. And then once again, as I've been mentioning, we do have the chance, unfortunately, for our first winter storm maybe of the season coming on Wednesday and Thursday.
Well, hopefully Mother Nature's got some paid time off and that doesn't happen.
She can take a break during those 2 days, right? Let us ease into winter versus just like going straight on.
Absolutely. Let's enjoy these probably last days of 60-degree weather, and then we can
be sure to get out and enjoy
there.
this nice weather over the next couple of days, because winter is obviously on our doorstep.
Hopefully not, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right. Thanks a lot, Owen.